What is a euphemism? A euphemism is a courteous and respectful word or phrase that replaces an offensive or impolite statement. Euphemisms allow writers and speakers to avoid taboo subjects, offer variety, provide characterization, and create humor. When using euphemisms, authors typically incorporate them in these ways. Abstract euphemisms disguise unpleasant realities, for example, saying pass away instead of died. Litotes are understatements that diminish the intensity of something, like saying not a rocket scientist when you mean not very intelligent. Modifying words to change an offensive noun to an adjective, like made a dumb decision, instead of calling someone dumb. Slang words work as euphemisms to increase or decrease the intensity of the actual phrase. For example, using basic as a euphemism for unoriginal. Here are a few more common examples of euphemisms. You may hear someone say they were let go instead of fired, under the weather, when they mean sick, or that they bought a pre-owned car instead of a used one.